Hi guys, for the reserved category student, eligibility for the CAT is 50% if you're from the OBC category, and SC, ST and PWD category 45% marks are required. That is the first condition which is given here. Yeah, you have to be passed out. So this is what the condition is given. For general, EWS and OBC, you have to have 50%. That is number one. CGPA conversion, CGPA into your marks. This is as per the university requirement. I'll make a separate video for that, but that's not the main agenda today. So 15% seats are reserved for SC category students, 7.5% for ST, 27% for OBC, and with non-creamy layer. Please guys, only non-creamy layer OBC are allowed. Only OBC will be counted as open. Okay. And up to 10% seats are reserved for the EWS category. Yeah, you can check out the government rules on ncbc.nic.in for the government rules about the reservations, in case you would go for that. Then PWD seats reservation, the criteria is given here. You can check out the criteria depending upon your requirement. Okay. No change in the category will be entertained after the CAT registration done, and please fill the certificate carefully. Failing to upload the copy of the certificate will result in the rejection of the form. Now this is the main problem here. Earlier what used to happen, in case your certificate is wrong, yeah, suppose I applied for OBC but that NC is not there, मैंने गलती से OBC में डाल दिया, तो it will become open seat. Yeah, so the same rule I assume will be continued this year as well. But in case you have a doubt whether आपका category change हो सकता है, तो आप email करके उनको देख लो. Yeah, for example, one of the student have just pinged me that her family is going to buy a bigger house next year, early next year. So in that case, you will not be eligible for the EWS category. तो अभी वो क्या करे? So you have to call them, inform the IM authority, ask them what to be done in that case. Yeah, we don't need to ask कि मैं भरूँ कि ना भरूँ. We just need to ask them कि मेरा form का क्या होगा? Will I become open or will I get rejected? I assume they'll get open. Failing to upload the caste certificate will obviously make the form rejected. Obviously, आज जिसके दम पे तुम apply करो वही तुम upload नहीं करोगे तो reject होगा. If the certificate is wrong, you will become open category student. This happened last year, but still I would recommend you to email them and check. Okay. Now going to the CAT form, you have to upload your scanned copy of your certificate. Certificate ka condition are not given. Normally it should be in English. Suppose your certificate is in Tamil. Yeah. Now if you upload a Tamil certificate, no one can understand. And if you click here, they've given you the instruction: upload the certificate size PDF. I'm sorry, PDF only is allowed to be uploaded. Okay. Now certificate must be shown and a photocopy to be submitted at the time of the interview. ठीक है, वो बाद में आपको submit करना है. And the extra notes we have just taken care of that. So earlier IIMs have given a format that your certificate should be in this format. इस बार I'm not able to find that format. तो format आपको नहीं चाहिए. If your certificate is in a language, convert it into English language. ठीक है, वो I'm sorry, वो कैसे होता है, कब होता है, who will do that? I have no idea. You have to contact the lawyer. See, in every city there is a area. For example, in Maharashtra it's called Court Naka. Court. Court Naka pe, once you go to the Court Naka, that area of court, you will find all the documentation. For example, in Punjab, I remember in Jalandhar, there's a place called Civil Lines. In Civil Line, all the court work is done. So you can go there and ask for your conversion in case your certificate is in a language. This certificate is very, very important. In case certificate is not there, your form will get rejected. If the certificate is wrong, you will become open category student. You can still email them and asking for your doubt. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask in the Telegram group. We have created two groups. One is for the reserved category student and one is for the general queries regarding the form filling. You can ask your question in that group where other students will help you out each other. Let's help each other to fill the form. Yeah. So Telegram groups links is in the description box. Okay. All the best.